From this equation, find out the value of A. First, we can write this 7 into 3. So we can write this a to the power 7 power 3. 7 into 3 is 21. And this we can write 7 into 2. So 7 into 2. And this is the 36. And now this a to the power 7, we take this a to the power 7 is equal to the x. So they are the x cube and they are the x square, and this is the minus 36 is 0. And this equation, if x value is 3, then the 3 cube plus 3 square is 27 plus 9 is 36, and there is the minus 36. So total value is 0. This is satisfied when the x is equal to 3. So x minus 3, this is the one determinator, and another determinator is find out. So we can write the x minus 3, and this is a cube. So cube, so 3 times we can write x minus 3 and plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. And there the x, and there is the x cube. So multiply with the x square. And this is the x square and x, this is the x cube. This is, and there is the minus 3 square, but there is the plus x square. So minus 3. So we can write the 4x square plus minus of this. And this is the x, and there is the 4x square. So multiply with the 4x. So 4x this, and this is the minus 12x. But there is the x power is 1 is known. So plus minus this 12x. And this is the x. So we can multiply the 12. So 12 into this is minus 36. This is here. So this is equal to 0. So from this equation, take the x minus 3. And there is the x square. There is the 4x. And there is the 12 is equal to 0. And first we can write x minus 3 is equal to if 0. So x value is 3. Another we can write the x square 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. And there the b square 4ac, this is the b square is 16, and this is 4, this is the 1, this, and this is the 12. So there is the 16 and there is the 48. So there is the minus 32. So this is the less than of the 0. So there is the, this is in equation, there is the no real number. From this equation we get only take this. So you can write that x, there is the x, and there is the x is equal to 3. So you can write there is the is equal to 3. So a to the power 7 is equal to 3. So a is equal to the 7. This is we can write a value this, and verify this. Verify a value is this. So put there a value is to the power root 7, and there is the 21, and there is the putting this, there is, so there is the 7, this 1 by 7, and this is the 21, and there is the 7 is 1 by 7, there is the 12, and so cut this. So this is the 3 cube, and this is cut this. This is the 3 square. So 3 cubes 27, and this is the 9. So value is 36. So 36 is proved. So A value is, this is right. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.